Hello dear students of class 4, I am your maths teacher. So today I am going to record a lecture for you from Countdown class 4 third edition. So dear students, you might have information about numbers in the previous classes. So here from today we are going to start Countdown mathematics and page 1 of level 4 countdown. So the topic is numbers and arithmetic operations. So the previous information, the words or vocabulary you have about the numbers, that here it is given millions, place value, these are the words you might have learned: compare, order, operations, multiplier, multiplicand, and product, divisor, dividend, quotient, remainder, and commutative law. So my dear students, today we will start from page 2. So on page 2 we have information about numbers and their place values and how to write numbers in the place value table. So we have already learnt about smallest 9-digit number and biggest 9-digit numbers. So here in this table 6-digit numbers are given, 7-digit numbers are given, 8-digit numbers are given, and 9-digit numbers. So in the first column you see this 100,000 is written. 6-digit number is 100,000. So in the second column it is in the second row, it is 1 million. This is in the third, it is 10 million, and the last one is 100 million. 100 million is 9-digit number. So you must keep all this information in your mind, that 6-digit number, 7 and 8-digit and 9-digit numbers. Here given that 7-digit numbers are given. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7-digit numbers. So we have to place these numbers in the place value chart. So how to write place value chart? You must know unit, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000 and million. So you must remember all these alphabets, that how to write in the place value chart. So this number we will start writing from right to left, right? So first you will write 2 in the first column, 5 in the second column, 6 in the third column, and then similarly other numbers up to million you will write. So how do you read this? You will read it like this: 2,489,652. Did you get it? So how do you read it? I am going to read it again for you. 2,489,652. So this is the way that how you can place the values in the place value chart. Then second, 8-digit numbers. So 8-digit numbers will go up to 10 million, start from unit place to 10 million place. So similarly you will write these numbers from right to left, and you will read it like this, that 23 million 89 no. So we read this number in the place value chart like this: 23,896,108. Again I am going to read it for you: 23,896,108. So similarly next example, that is for 9-digit numbers. So these are the numbers given in the international system. So how do you write this 9-digit numbers? So this place value chart for this will start from unit place to up to 100 million. Right now we will read this up to 100 million. So this is something like this, numbers already, and 89. So this is the way that how you can place the numbers in the place value chart and how you can read it. So if you don't understand, you can ask in the comment box. For further information we can guide you. Okay, now we go to page number 3. There are some examples given that that is different from this, that numbers are given in the standard form, right? Here the numbers are given in the standard form, and we have to write them in the words. So standard form we will write them in the words. So that how this place value chart is given. So how do you write this number in words? So this is an example that is solved already. You can say like this: 600, the first number 682 million, this 82 million, right? And 900, this is separate. 52,000, this is separate. 602, this is separate. Again I am 682 million, right? 952,602, right? So then next example, that is that was that how to write in words. This is how to write in figures. You have, the question is given in the words, right? So we have to write this into the standard form. So the question is like this: 25,909,437. So this is written in the standard form here in the place value chart. So 25 million, this is separate, right? 900 is separate and 9,000 is separate. So 0 we will not read in this, that is already covered in the 9,000, right? So 437 we will read separately. So third example, write the value of the ring digit in the number. This is standard form given. So first we will write the number in the place value chart, this standard form into the place value chart, and then here we see that 3 is circled, that is inside the ring. So we have to just point out the place value of the 3 digit, that is, you can see in the chart, that is 10,000. 10,000 is the place value. 3 the value of 3 is 30,000, but it is written in the 10,000 column, right? So you can say this is up to 30,000. Then after this, the numbers you can read it like 30,000, but the place value is 30,000 or 10,000, you can say. Then if you multiply 10,000 with 3, it comes to 30,000. Okay, then last one, write the number in the expanded form. So expanded form I will explain you a little bit on the separate register. This is written 4, standard form is given 469,825,136. Is it readable? Right? So for standard form you must know how to draw a place value chart, right? So first you count how many numbers are given in the standard form: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we will make 9 columns: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, right? So you divide this column into 2, right? So first place is, you know, unit, then second one is tens, third one is 100, then 1000, then 10,000, right? Then 100,000, then million, then 10 million, and last one is 100 million. Because these are 9 digits, so you know that 9 digits are written in from, it starts from unit place and goes up to 100 million. So first one digit is 6, 3, 1, 5, 2, 8, 9, 6 and 4. So now you have to write this in the expanded form. Expanded form means that you have to write each and every number separately. So you write 4 here and you count how many columns are there: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you take 4 and rest of the columns are 8, so you write 8 zeros with the 4. 3, 3, 6. So this is 4 is written separately. Then you have to write 6. Now after 6, how many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. You will write 7 zeros with this thing, right? Now you have to write 9 plus, we'll put plus here, right? So 9 and 1 2 3 4 5 6 zeros will be there, 3 3 3 plus, then you have to write 8, 1 2 3 4 5 zeros, then you have to write 2 4 zeros, 1 2 3 plus 5, right? With 5 there will be 3 zeros, right? Then what is left? 1 with 1 2 zeros, right? What is left? Then 3 1 0, and 6 will be without 0. So this is that how you can write the expanded form, the standard form into expanded form, right?